In this video, I'm gonna guide you how you can set up and use Mangayomi app on Android. Let's launch the Mangayomi after the installation. It's very straightforward and simple. It has got 3 categories: manga, anime and novel. First, you're gonna add the extensions to this app and go to the sources and then explore in there. In order to add the extensions, go to browse tab. It has got several tabs here: manga sources, anime sources, novel sources, and also all the extensions tabs for each of the categories. Now, in order to add the extensions, we can tap on plus and you can create or add the extensions on this page here, but it's a hassle here to create the extension and add it. So I'm gonna demonstrate here by showing the auto install method. It's always a better option to make your own sources and add it here, but if you don't have your own source, you can use the auto install method from GitHub. So launch your browser and you're just gonna do a Google search for Mangayomi add extensions. Scroll down and we're gonna find the GitHub link here, code.f Mangayomi extensions. This one, public source extensions for the Mangayomi app. I know that I can trust this source. So before you add any extensions to Mangayomi, you're gonna make sure that the source is trusted and you can rely on it. Scroll down and it has got the repositories here. I'm gonna add the manga repository. So tap on add manga repository. Choose the Mangayomi here and tap on it, and the source repository has been added. If you go to browse here and go to manga extensions, the extensions have been added here and you can install any of them. Once the extension has been added, it's here and you can go to manga sources here and explore in there. So this video is just for demonstration how you can use the Mangayomi app, and there's no any more settings here. It's just pretty simple. There's no need to customize anything. It's very straightforward. So just like this video and subscribe to this channel.